In this session, I'm going to demonstrate how to use the Dictate option in Microsoft Word. As you're creating a document, instead of typing it, go anywhere in the document, and as long as you have a microphone in your computer, you can come here under the Dictate area, and you can click on the drop down and choose the language that you'd prefer to do the dictation with. Once you're ready, click on Dictate, and then everything that you say, the system is going to transcribe it for you. Let's say I want to type right here, and at this point, everything that you say, it's going to be transcribed. Notice that you can also give commands to the system. Period. New paragraph. As computers become better understood and more economical, comma, every day brings new applications, period. Many of these new applications involve both storing information and simultaneous use by several individuals, period. The content that we wanted has been transcribed.